Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. I appreciate you joining me. I know how busy life gets, so thank you for coming along and joining me today. I am doing a Treat Yourself collaboration. Krista's Crafty Life and Crafts Unleashed by Robin were our host and co-host. So we needed to make something that we would want to receive ourselves. So what gift would we like? I found this at Hobby Lobby. It's a casserole or hot dish, a 13 by 9 pan holder, carrier. Did I explain that well enough? All right, so it's normally $19.99 at Hobby Lobby. The spring stuff is 75% off, so I got it for $5. I decided to personalize it because I can't find items out there with my name, so I just cut that with my Cricut, and now I am putting a Teflon sheet over it. It helps protect your fabric as well as your iron, and I looked it up, and it should be about $2.80 for 20 seconds. Now, don't forget you're going to want to go to the playlist, which will be listed below, so that you can see what everybody else made as they would like to get for a gift. All right, now this is a warm peel, but it was really hot, so I gave it just a couple of seconds, and then as you'll see, I can peel that right off. There it is, simple as that. Now, if I've got this, what do I need to go inside it? I obviously should personalize my own pan, right? Let's go to DIY too. I cut this out. It says Yummy Treats, and I made a rolling pin. And I used stencil vinyl. So you just want to use a stencil vinyl. I cut that out in reverse because, as you can see, I'm going to do the bottom of the pan. Now, with this glass etching cream, it is a chemical that takes off a little bit of the finish to make it look frosted. So I want to do that in reverse and on the back of the pan. Now I'm just showing you that it's Armour etch. At the top, I did cut out. It says from Chantel. Now, you could definitely flip that around. Maybe it should be Yummy Treats from Chantel. I have from Chantel Yummy Treats, but it's kind of fun. I'm just using a paintbrush. With any stencil, you want to make sure that it's down tight so that no paint gets underneath it. In this case, it's the Armour etch. And so after I go over it, just, with a coat, I'm going to go back over and give it a thicker coat. Now, with this Armour etch, you do want to go in the same direction. If I were to just kind of go all swirly in this rolling pin, you could, depending on, I guess, how long you leave it there, but I believe you would see the swirls there. And, oh, be careful that you don't drip like I did. I was putting extra on my brush. Just wipe that off with water, making sure you got all of that off. You could also use gloves to protect your skin, as it is a chemical that, does take off that layer of glass to frost it. So now I have a nice liberal amount on here. I'm just really putting it on there. I want to make sure that no spot is missed. But then I'm going to go back over it, and I want to make sure it's all going the same direction. So after I let it sit for 15 minutes, now I'm going back and I'm taking off all of the extra. You can put that right back in your container. So this container is going to last me quite a long time. You could probably go with a smaller container of it. But as always, I will list below all of the things that I used today. Now I went and rinsed that off in the sink to take off the chemical. Now I'm taking the stencil off. Remember, you could use contact paper, you could use stickers, you could use the outside of stickers, you could use plastic stencils. Your imagination's your only limit here. And just remember, this Armour etch is only going to work on glass. So I'm just getting this all off, so then I should be able to show you what this looks like. Are you getting any ideas what you might want to make? Just think about all the things that you could make for friends and family. I did make some mugs and glasses for another friend's wedding. So some fun things there. I don't know if you can quite see it very well. Trying to grab something that maybe you can see it a little bit better, but tilting it, you can kind of see it. But here's a better view. I put a piece of paper behind it so that you can see that. Kind of neat, huh? You could definitely do this. And here it is just in the bag. It's ready to go. I just pop the lid on it. Make your favorite treat, maybe some brownies you could put in there. Take it along with you to your friends or family. Who wouldn't want that gift? I think it's so fun. Nice and personalized. So I treated myself. Don't forget to go to the playlist and see how the other ladies treated themselves. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hopefully subscribe, so we'll see you soon.